Today we are here with the award-winning MC Barber.
Hey everyone, this is MC Barber. In this video I'm going to do a skin fade with a Fohawk. So my first step here is to wet his hair. I'm using just water, straight water, H2O. What this does, it kind of the heat of the scalp slightly softens the hair and allows me to then shave it down to the skin. The reason I don't like using any gels or shaving creams or anything like that, it kind of makes it messy for me, so it's kind of, the hair sticks everywhere. Now this seems to be sufficient. I do this all the time, every day. It just makes it easy, nice and clean. You really don't need anything except water. So I use water here. I'm gonna do high fade, so I'm starting pretty high. And shaving, so I make sure I stretch his skin here and just work on my shave. This is actually the haircut I did this year in at Connecticut Barber Expo, which is actually the largest barber expo in the United States. This was a 15 minutes cut. I shaved the sides like this. Then I faded it to a Fohawk. It took me 15 minutes to do the whole haircut, and it was actually a first place winner. It was a very nice, clean haircut. I was slightly afraid that I was actually not going to finish it. You know, when you compete, you have many things that happen, the adrenaline, you're slightly nervous, am I going to make it or not? Well, actually it worked out perfect, so I did it in 15 minutes. So that shows you that this type of haircut can be actually done in about 15 minutes to 20 maximum. And you will get maximum quality in that time. Alright, so that was my first step here. Starting my fade from skin. It looks nice and clean. By now the water is already dried, or most of it, so now it will be a lot easier to fade. If I had any type of gel or shaving cream, now it would be kind of difficult to fade as the hair would stick everywhere. So here I'm working on my fade now, using 1.5, then 1. Now to get really close to the scalp, my clippers, my edges are actually gapped at 0. And by turning them upside down like that, you actually get slightly closer. So you remove that line that is between the, the line that is created with a straight edge. So I remove the line with the edges, and then I'll go back with my fading clippers again and kind of blend it. So here again I'm using my clippers upside down and work on that line. And now back to my fading clippers and just connecting the now top to the sides. As you can see, it's coming pretty nice. If you compete and you are not sure how to get maximum out of your competition, well, honestly, I think this is a perfect haircut to practice with. So before my competition, almost every client that won on the fade, I was doing a skin fade just like this. Approximately a couple of months before the competition, every client that says I want 0 on the side, he got a razor. And I timed myself on every haircut, and my goal was that my whole haircut was done in about 13 minutes. So it is very important that you time yourself and that you know your steps that you have to follow, so you are always on time when you are at the competition. Here I'm just doing some point cutting, creating some texture. Point cutting gives you a kind of texture look. It looks good for messy. Basically the ends are not cut even, they are cut kind of like texture way, as you can see. It looks way better when it's spiked up and made as into a messy look. Here I'm using fire to remove the fine hair from the ears. The reason I'm holding my hand behind his ear, in this case I don't really need it, but when the client has long hair, you want to make sure that you are protecting the hair so you don't burn his hair. So with a quick strokes, you remove the fine hair. For product here, I'm using natural cream by Layrai. It gives you a natural matte finish. It is a really nice product. It has a medium hold. And I go over the hair as such. It kind of spreads the product evenly throughout the hair. It gets deep down to the scalp. I go from the back then, and then I'll go from the front and style the hair in a direction that I like. So as you can see, it looks really nice. You have a clean fade starting from skin. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching. This is MC Barber. Please don't forget to subscribe. mcbarber.com is my website. Until next time. Hey, this is MC. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe. Even if you didn't like my video, subscribe. Anyway, I have many more coming. Maybe you'll like the next one. mcbarber.com is my website. Until next time, work hard, stay positive. and take care of yourself. Peace.